Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about the formula of now. Is equal to NOW parenthesis open parenthesis close. So it will give me the date with time. Okay, I can make changes from here. If I want to convert into date, I can convert it, or I want to convert it into time, I can convert it into time. Okay. The main property of this formula is that it is showing me date and as well the time. So it's showing the both things. I can make it only date and I can make it only time by using this dialog box. Okay, from here I can convert it into time, and from here I can convert it into date. And it is a dynamic formula. Like if I this formula will be changed with the passage of time. If I close that file, if I save it and close that file and open it after 1 hour, the time will be updated with the passage of time. So this is all for this tutorial, and kindly subscribe my channel and give me the feedback. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.